Hello everybody, welcome to the I Am IT YouTube channel. My name is Shabazz Dar and you must have forgotten by now because it's been like 2 months, but I am the IT Geek. Welcome back to a new video. It has been a minute and I will explain why. But this is essentially going to be the intro to my new series that I'm doing, which I'm going to get into what that's about and cover some detail around what you can expect. This is the first upload in almost 70 days, so it's over 2 months. And I'll be honest, there's no particular reason for that. There's a lot of different reasons, if I'm honest. The first one being I've had a lot going on. For those who follow my social media, you'll know that I've left Netcompany. So now I'm just kind of contracting, and I've had a bit of a delay to my Australia visa as well, which has caused a bit of frustration, difficulties, and it's been difficult to deal with. So. I kind of thought, you know what, I need to take a break from it all, really. Social media, I've not been much on LinkedIn or Twitter either, not been posting anything really. I've not been doing any public speaking, anything like that. Kind of distanced myself from it, and it's not because of anything I was generally, didn't want to do. It's just I felt like I needed a break. And coming towards the end of the year, and I did it last year, I kind of did a lot of content and a lot of, general public speaking, a lot of sessions. The first sort of 3/4 of the year, and then kind of October, November, decided to take a break. I've done the same this year, and hopefully I'll feel fresh from it. So right as we speak, it's actually Boxing Day when I'm recording this, so you'll see this before the new year. So first of all, Merry Christmas, everyone. But as well as that, in the new year, starting the first week of January, my new series, which is what I'm going to talk about today, is going to be about. So it's another exam topic series, and I'm going back to my roots, if I'm honest. This is a topic that I've written a book about as well, which is the AZ-140, and I'll go into detail about what that exam is. So this is an exam topic series. It's Azure Virtual Desktop essentially, but I did a Zero to Hero series ages ago with Simon Lee around AVD, but that didn't really cover the exam topics. That was more of an overview, details of AVD really, what it was and all the different aspects of it. So this is specifically an exam series. So this is the intro episode. Let's cover a little bit about what I'll be going through topic wise. So here we are in the deck. So these are all my socials, in case you want to, they'll be in the description as well, in case you want to follow me or connect with me on LinkedIn or Twitter. So this is the AZ-140 study tutorial, and it's a series essentially. And just to remind you who I am, I'm the IT Geek. My name is Shabazz Dar. I'm a Microsoft MVP in Enterprise Mobility as well as Azure. And yeah, I've been an MVP now for 3 years. So this is going into my 4th year now. I'm an infrastructure master as well. So currently contracting, working at a company called Stable. My main areas, focus are Microsoft Cloud, Microsoft Security, Azure infrastructure, and also sort of enterprise mobility. So that's all kind of, and I've got loads more videos on all those topics, and you can check them out on my channel. So let's break down exactly what you can expect in this AZ-140 exam prep series. So let's quickly want to go through what the actual percentage breakdown is as far as the topics go. So you've got plan, implement, and Azure Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, which is a huge, massive amount, which is 45%. We then got plan, implement, identity and security, which is 15 to 20%. We then got plan, implement, user environments and apps, which is 20 to 25%. Then we've got monitor and maintain and Azure Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, which is also 10 to 15%. So if we talk about the plan, implement and AVD infrastructure, which is, as I said, 40 to 45%, sort of topics that we're going to cover there are planning, implementing and managing networking in AVD. Also includes planning, implementing storage for Azure Virtual Desktop user data. It then covers planning host pools and session hosts, implementing host pools and session hosts, creating and managing session hosts as well. So that's kind of the 5 main areas which cover the 45%. A big chunk really, obviously, almost 50% of the exam. And we talk about plan, implement, identity and security. So this is going to be more about implementing identity integration, so Entra, hybrid and stuff like that. Plan, implementing security, so that'll include network security as well as sort of identity security. So we then will move on to plan and implement user environments in this exam. So 20 to 25%, but then we get into planning and implementing FS logic. So this is sort of the more of the user experience now, and planning and implementing user experience in client settings as well. And then the final topic we move on to is monitoring and maintaining an AVD infrastructure. And in that we cover monitor and manage AVD services and planning, implementing and maintaining business continuity. So this is what is covered in the exam as of the 26th of October 2023. So this is quite new, a few months ago. This is true, so it's not changed since. Now, as far as the series goes and how we're actually going to break that down, and how I'm going to break that down, I'm going to break it down to topics. So last time I broke it down into the sort of areas, and I'm going to do the same here. So all those sections of the exam, so that's the official Microsoft breakdown, all those areas I'm going to cover in about 15, 16 topics from memory. So the first topic, again, these topics will be broken down into multiple videos. Each topic will have 2 to 3 videos in it, 2 to 3 parts essentially, because there's a lot to cover. So we've got, first of all, AVD architecture overview, which is going to be topic 1. Topic 2, I'm going to cover the design of AVD architecture. Topic 3 is going to talk about user identities and profiles and designing those. Topic 4 will go into implementing and managing networking for AVD. Topic 5 will be implementing and managing storage for AVD. Topic 6 will be creating host pools and session hosts. We'll then move on to topic 7, which will be creating and managing session host images. Topic 8 will be managing access for AVD. Topic 9 will be managing security in AVD. Topic 10, we're going to implement and manage FS logics. And then topic 11, configure user experience sessions. We're still not done there, we've still got more topics. So topic 12, we're going to cover installing and configuring apps on a session host. Topic 13 will where we kind of look at and talk about planning for DR. And then topic 14 will be automating AVD management tasks. And finally, topic 15 will be monitoring and managing performance and health. So that kind of covers everything we want to go, or I want to go through, and I will be going through in this series. Again, similar format to what I did last time, and I've done with all my sort of exam topics here as well. I'll do some theory, and then I'll do a demo, and that's why you'll find that most of the topics have multiple sessions, 2 to 3 episodes, sorry, because I actually want to do more, in the lab. And showing you how to do things. There's implementing AVD is like a big topic, and that'll be covered over 4 or 5, 6 episodes. So I'm going to try and do a lab with each episode if I can. Try and keep them small as well, that 10 to 15 minute mark. I'm trying my best to do. Obviously, it might go over. But yeah, hopefully, and again, I'm really looking forward to this series. AVD, very close to my heart. It's my sort of first thing, one of my first things I really went into in the cloud. Since its inception. Obviously I was part of the AVD user group with Neil. I've written a book on it as well, which you can see in the description. And like I said, really interesting topic, really fun topic as well. So other things in the description as well. I'm going to put some links into some discounted exams you can get with MeasureUp for this exam, and as well as any other sort of resources, including the GitHub labs as well. And in between these sort of videos as well around AVD, I'm actually going to be doing some content around Nerdio. NerdioCon is coming up in February, so I think it's appropriate to put some, do some overviews of some of the Nerdio updates as well and what we can look forward to at NerdioCon. So that's this intro episode done and my sort of welcome back into creating content again. So thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.